Hello everyone, welcome back to AI News Flash with AI Rav. Yes, it's Labor Day in the US today, which might mean that most people are at a barbecue. But I'm here working because AI never takes a holiday, and neither should your business insights. Your weekly dose of the biggest AI updates, curated for business owners and builders who want to grow faster without reading 500 tech headlines. Here's how we roll. First up, news from the big software: OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Anthropic, xAI, and Amazon. Then we shift to creative AI, video, images, music. Next, international players followed by infrastructure and hardware companies. And finally, cool new startups you've probably never heard of, but should. This is the news you can actually use for your business. Let's dive. The biggest news last week was from Google. Their Nano Banana is finally peeling. Nano Banana, aka Gemini 2.5 Flash image editor, was launched, and it lets you swap outfits, tweak facial expressions, or insert objects, just with a text prompt. No Photoshop expertise required. This might be the first reliable platform creatives can use because it can keep your original image and edits intact and delete elements of picture. It is available in Google AI Studio at no cost at this time. And that's not all. Google Translate now has a practice mode with personalized listening and speaking exercises. It also adds real-time conversations across 70+ languages. For businesses going global, this makes customer service and cross-border deals a whole lot smoother. Google also upgraded its Vids app. You can now make videos with AI avatars, and Veo 3 turns still images into clips. The free version gets you started, but workspace plans unlock pro features. Think training videos, marketing promos, product explainers, all faster and cheaper. In news from xAI, Grok Code Fast 1 was launched. A brand new coding model priced at just 20 cents per million input tokens and $1.50 per million output tokens. It handles Python, Java, and C++ at blazing speeds. For startups and dev teams, this is cost savings on cloud bills and faster iteration cycles. Meta just inked a deal with Midjourney. That means future Facebook and Instagram tools could be powered by Midjourney's image and video generation models. For content creators and marketers, expect better visuals, better reels, and fewer stock photos in Meta's ad platform. Microsoft had two big voice updates. First, Microsoft launched MAI Voice 1.5b, an open-source AI voice model that sings, acts, and creates realistic dialogue, free to use under MIT license. Second, Microsoft rolled out its own MAI Voice models that already power Copilot. This marks a shift away from OpenAI dependency. For podcasters, educators, and customer support teams, AI voices might have gotten cheaper and more customizable. Apple is reportedly talking to Google about using Gemini to power Siri. If true, Apple would rely on its biggest rival to fix Siri. For iPhone-using business owners, your voice assistant may soon get a brain transplant. Claude for Chrome is live, an AI agent that reads, summarizes, and acts on web pages right inside your browser. No logins, no friction. For business owners, this workflow could help with productivity. Instead of switching to a new browser like Comment or Dia, now research, quick drafts, contract reviews can be done without leaving Chrome. In news from international player, first is Saudi AI Saudi-based Humain just launched the world's first Arabic native chatbot, trained on one of the largest Arabic datasets ever. Serving 500 million Arabic speakers worldwide. For global businesses, this expands access to one of the fastest growing digital markets. Alibaba just upgraded its video AI model Wan 2.2. It can turn portraits into cinematic avatars that sing, talk, and act. For media businesses and influencers, this unlocks high-quality content without studio budgets. Manus is bringing AI right into your inbox. Just email at manus.bot and it processes tasks, attachments, contracts, even recruiting. Think supercharged email. No extra apps, no extra tabs. Coming to our segment on startups, Higgsfield AI launched 2,000 mini apps for instant content creation. One click and you get commercials, effects, or short videos, powered by Google's Nano Banana model. If your business needs viral content fast, this could be your playground. Halo, a startup from Harvard, is launching smart glasses at $249. They record everything you see, recall conversations, and serve up real-time info. They call it vibe thinking. For knowledge workers and students, this is a memory upgrade you wear. Next, let's look at some hardware and infrastructure news in our final segment today. NVIDIA, the chip king, just posted record-breaking numbers. $46.7 billion in quarterly data center revenue, up 56% year over year. Net income, $26.4 billion. But here's the catch. China is cutting back on NVIDIA hardware, which could slow future growth. For you, this means hardware shortages may persist, keeping cloud AI costs high. In a first of its kind, the US government is taking a 10% equity stake in Intel by converting $8.9 billion in CHIPS Act grants. Washington is now Intel's third largest shareholder. That is a radical shift in US industrial policy and a big signal for anyone betting on domestic chip making. Electricity bills across the US are spiking. AI data centers are driving up demand, with some regions in the Northeast seeing hikes over 13%. This is probably happening because data centers are investing in major upgrades to keep up with AI demand. For households and businesses, expect higher operating costs as AI soaks up more power. That wraps up this week's AI News Flash. If you found this useful, hit like and follow Human Rav so you never miss your weekly AI fix. And don't forget to check out the Substack blog where I go deeper into every story. Link is in the comments. See you next week.